There was no volleyball where I'm from, in the area that I'm from, and I was a basketball and football guy in high school, and when I came here, I knew I wanted to be a coach. I thought it would be in football or in basketball, but I've always believed that if someone can coach, they can learn to coach any sport. I don't think coaching is about necessarily the X's and O's. I think anybody can learn the X's and O's of a sport. I think what makes someone an effective coach is the ability to lead and communicate with kids and do the things, and I think that translates beyond the X's and O's of a sport. So volleyball just happened to be what I fell into. I think coaching is what's truly in my blood. Growing up, Western Kentucky was the place. It was the sports teams that I followed, and listening to Wes Strader call Western Kentucky games was a part of my youth, and then I came here to get my degree and fell in love with this place, and have been blessed to stay here and make it my life for the last 25 years. We live in a world in college athletics of transfers and people leaving programs left and right, and this place has been a little unique. I've been the coach here 25 years. We've only had one kid in 25 years one scholarship kid ever choose to leave our program in 25 years, which is one of the things that I'm most proud of in our program. We have a 100% graduation rate. We've never had a kid not get a degree, and we've only had one kid leave our program. And it's something I'm very, very proud of, but it also means that I care greatly. I care deeply about these kids. The reasons why I coach have very little to do with wins and losses. And I love to teach. I love to watch young people grow. I love to watch them improve themselves and get ready for life.